Hello, this is Monto. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can bridge your Alephium over to the Ethereum blockchain. In this tutorial, we will be using the Alephium Testnet and Ethereum Goerli Testnet. Be aware that it is not yet possible to use the bridge on the mainnet. For a written version of this tutorial, head on over to the description of this video where you will find a link to a detailed article, and with that out of the way, let's get started. Start with opening the browser extension wallet. In order to successfully bridge on Testnet, you will need to switch your Alephium extension wallet over to Testnet. Click on your Accounts button and then click on the plus icon. When making the new address, select Group 0 from the drop-down menu called Group, and now you should have a new address in Group 0. You're going to need some Alephium to bridge, so using the Alephium faucet, we're going to request some free assets. On the main menu of the extension wallet, press Add Funds, and then request ALF to receive 12 Testnet Alephium within the next 1 to 5 minutes. Remember, you can request funds every 5 minutes. In order to begin our bridge, you will need to head on over to the website shown on screen. It is also available in the description of this video. Once you're on the page, click on the blue Connect button, and a prompt will appear where you can choose which wallet you want to use to connect to the bridge. For this tutorial, we're going to use the extension wallet. After connecting your wallet, you will see your address below. Now that we're connected on the Alephium side of the bridge, we will need to switch to the Goerli Ethereum Testnet on MetaMask. In order to connect to the Goerli Ethereum Testnet, you will need a wallet to do so. For this tutorial, we're going to use a MetaMask, but the process shouldn't differ too much with other wallets. Before we begin this process, make sure your MetaMask wallet has the Show Test Networks toggle activated. You will find this option under Settings and then Advanced in your MetaMask wallet menu. Proceed to change your MetaMask network by clicking on the Ethereum mainnet button and selecting the Goerli Testnet. Beware that you're going to need enough Goerli ETH to pay the gas fee for your incoming transaction on the Goerli Testnet. Two ways of getting some Goerli ETH is by using GoerliFacet.com. Keep in mind that it requires a subscription. Another option of getting some Goerli ETH would be FaucetQuickNote.com, which does not require a subscription, but it isn't as reliable or as fast as the first option. Beware that you're also going to need to hold at least 0.001 ETH on the mainnet in order to request the Goerli ETH of any of these two options, so make your choice. Links will be in the description to both of these. With your Alephium wallet connected to the bridge page, select the asset that you want to bridge from Alephium to Goerli. After choosing an amount, press the Next button. Click on Connect to connect your Goerli address to the bridge. Upon connecting the Goerli ETH Testnet wallet, the next button will become available. The page will then show the address you're connected with on the Goerli ETH Testnet and the current balance of Alephium on it. Once you're ready, click on Transfer. A pop-up will request your confirmation, and your wallet will show the transaction for review. If everything's fine, click on Sign. Try to avoid leaving the page until the initialization is done. Beware the transaction will take a fair amount of time, about a few minutes, so please be patient. After getting a confirmation that the transaction has been completed, you can redeem your ALF on the Goerli Ethereum Testnet by pressing the Redeem button. Make sure your MetaMask wallet is unlocked before redeeming your coins, otherwise an error will occur. Your Goerli ETH wallet will then show the transaction for review. After verifying that everything is fine, click on Confirm. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the bridge will show the transaction details. In order to see your tokens in a MetaMask wallet, you will need to import them by heading over to Assets, pressing the Import Tokens button, and inputting the information which will be provided to you in this video's description. Once entering the token contract address, token symbol and token decimal, you will be able to see your ALF in your MetaMask wallet. Tune in next time when I teach you how to bridge an asset from Goerli to Alephium. Make sure to share, like, and comment if you found this tutorial useful.